Dears all, I'm home!
Having cough, flu and asthma or any lungs-related illness, it's time to take Thicod. Thicod is made of tiger meal mushroom and Cordyceps militaris. These two precious medicinal herbs contains which sustains our lungs needed. They will make our lungs stronger and healthier and eventually defeat lungs-related illness and disease. Go get Thicod today, available at your local pharmacy stores.